Are you annoyed that your text messages are popping up on your lock screen where everyone can read them? Let's go over through the steps on how you can easily stop them from showing up on your iPhone's lock screen so that other people won't be able to see what messages you're getting. The first step is to open your Settings app, and then I'm going to scroll a bit until you find this Notifications option. I have a list of apps which are installed on my iPhone, and I can customize the notification settings for each app in here, but let's tap on this Messages button. You see, there are two ways to stop those messages from showing up on your lock screen. The first way is by tapping on this Show Previews option and set this to Never. This will just hide the message previews on your lock screen. You'll still get a notification when a new message comes in, but the actual message won't show up. Instead, your lock screen will just say iMessage if it's someone texting with an iPhone using iMessage, or text message if it's a regular SMS. But if I go back to this page and let's say I want to disable the messages from appearing on my lock screen completely, then I have to uncheck this lock screen option right here. And even though you get a message or an iMessage, the notification won't show up on your lock screen at all. If you want, the messages can appear on your home screen and notification center, but they won't show up on the lock screen anymore. If you have any questions or suggestions about this whole process, then make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll make sure to respond as soon as I can.